Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add terms and conditions on your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we just need to first add a new page on our website. So click on Add Page right here. And once you have done that, click on Blank Page. And then once you have clicked on the blank page, it will actually create a blank page right here. And it's named New Page. So let's rename that new page right there at our Pages and Menu. So just click on Pages and Menu right here. Once you have clicked on that, you will be able to see the new page. Just click on the three dot. Then from in there, just rename it. So let's rename our pages right here. Let's name it Terms and Conditions. Now let's click on Done, and then let's move it at the bottom. And then let's click on the three dots right here and click on the settings. And then let's hide this from the menu. Now in here on your page, you can just add in any elements that you want. Like for example, a title, a text, or anything that you want to add. Like for example, let's add in a bold title. It will be added right there. And then on the paragraph page, let's just add in a new text. And then add in a paragraph that is actually resonates with you, just like that. So in here, just edit out your terms and condition all you want. And then once you have done that, under the footer in here of your homepage, so let's proceed to our homepage. Under the footer of your homepage, you should be able to add in a button. So let's scroll down until we reach the footer. So here's the footer right here. So let's add in a text for that footer. So in order to do that, click on the Add Elements. Then click on Text again. And then you can use new text, paragraph, or anything like that. I will just use this one. And then I will put it right here. And then I can name it Terms and Conditions. Now under this, I can actually just click on this link right here. Then click on a page and then choose what page, which is this terms and condition. And then click on the current window or just new window. Totally depends on you. Once you have done that, you can click on done right here. And once you're done with everything, you should be able to link that specific text into a specific page right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add terms and conditions to your Wix website. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.